This is David with New Flow St. Louis here at 191 Plantation Drive, 63141 zip code. We're pushed out from a stack here, one of the main stacks in the basement. We're kind of in an unfinished area, and we're pushed out to, we're in 6-inch clay. We're about a couple feet off of the yard trap that was buried, and we found the yard vent riser, located and found it out in a flower bed near the driveway. So I don't want to push all the way up to it because it's kind of holding some water. I believe it needs to be cabled, and I would recommend cabling it and re-inspecting from that yard vent. But at this time I don't want to get my lens dirty, so I'm going to pull back from this point, but it is right there in front of us. And then we're going to inspect the rest of the line as we come back here. So we're in 6-inch clay. I believe it's holding a little bit of water and build up there just due to the yard trap probably being unexposed and uncabled for a really long time. It's a 6-inch clay tile though. It comes in a couple foot sections. We're looking for any cracks, breaks, or roots. This line looks to be in good serviceable condition. Come around a turn there, we're coming underneath the front porch area. Now we've entered the cast iron. It goes from 6-inch clay to 4-inch cast iron underneath of the home now. So this is a re-inspection of the line. So there was a previous company out here marked an area of damage. So we're just taking another look at that, see what the condition of the line is. This cast iron here is got some heavy scale buildup to it, which is normal for cast iron. We're coming around a Y connection here. This Y could go back to another stack that's over in that area of the home. So from here on back, we start to see some heavy buildup and scale in the bottom that could be causing. There was a lot of debris in the line with waste and buildup. So this branch arm here from that Y heading back over to this stack seems to be giving the most problems for backups. There's a Y connection there for probably another stack. As you can see on the bottom left and right, there's just a lot of buildup, or it could be the scale from when they cabled the line. That would need to be removed. It's recommended to get that removed and possibly even line this section of pipe. Another Y connection. Making our way back to the stack. As you can see here, some more buildup and sludgy buildup in the line. Another Y connection there. So a lot of this was sitting in here already when we showed up, so could just be that this cast iron is very rough in nature and may need to be repaired just to get a smoother pipe in there. Clean this camera lens off, show you where we're working from. So this here is the stack that we went from. We're in this room here in the basement. So that's going to do it for this part of the inspection. We have in the process uncovered a buried yard vent riser and taken a look at the line from this stack to the buried yard vent riser, and that's going to do it as far as just looking at the line. We'll just make a decision and reanalyze this to see if the areas that were marked by the previous inspection company need to be repaired or lined.